RBC Avion Visa Infinite Lounge Access and more. Welcome back to Gliss Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. So if you have yourself RBC Avion Visa Infinite, what are the features you'll be getting in? Let's go ahead and check it out. RBC Avion Visa Infinite offers a variety of features that cater to frequent travelers, including airport lounge access, travel benefit, and reward points. To break down all of the features, let's go ahead. For your lounge access, you will receive complimentary membership with 6 lounge visits per year for every enrolled card holder on your RBC Avion Visa Infinite Privilege account. To enroll, you can check out www.visaairportcompanion.ca or just dial RBC for it. You can get the access to select airport lounges worldwide. Now, second is your travel benefits. You will get yourself a priority pass for selective membership. The benefit might be offered depending on the specific card version you have. As mentioned, you will get access for airport lounges of at least 6. However, with the priority pass, you will get beyond the 6 included with the Visa Airport Companion program. You will get a very fast-track lane security check just for you. You will also have a global airport concierge services. Now, regarding the reward point, you can earn 1.25 avion point for every dollar you spend. You get a welcome bonus of 2,500 avion points upon approval. That is, you'll be earning up to 70,000 avion point in the first year with bonus offers. However, it might include some of the restrictions. You can easily redeem this point for merchandise, statement credits, and more. Those were some of the features that is covered by your RBC Avion Visa Infinite. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try. We hope that you found this video informative to you, and thank you so much for watching.